Hello, my beautiful, beautiful people. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to give you one of my secret breakfast meals. Actually, one of my secrets that actually in the beginning of my weight loss journey allowed me to drop 20 pounds. Okay, so I will leave a link or a video right here, up here after this video, reflecting some other tips. But this one specifically is probably one of my favorite tips, because if you're anything like me, love your sweets, but you don't need all that sugar, right? And even when you eat, you like eating sweet stuff. You just have to eat sweet stuff. Okay, I'm sweet. I gotta have my sweet food. I gotta have my sweet, guys, because I gotta stay sweet. Okay. So anyway, so actually it's two secrets. Kodiak. No, I'm not sponsored by these people. And if they're watching, thank you so much for developing these. This is actually, you could utilize this also probably kind of like, if you think of the Bisquick buttermilk pancake mix, think of this, okay? But this you could make with the eggs, or the eggs ingredient, or you could make it with, you can make it with eggs and what else? So you could put milk and eggs in here if you want to, but I don't. I literally just put water. I put the powder and I put the water. It is literally pancakes, guys. But guess what kind of pancakes these are? Protein. Literally protein. And yes, they taste equivalent to Bisquick. I am not playing. Like, this stuff is... When my son went and first got this and told me, Mom, I want you to make these. I was like... And I got this trick, or this secret, I literally got from my son, Devion. He lost so much weight, it doesn't make it. I think he lost like 60 to 70 pounds or something like that. But yeah, it's called Kodiak. And plus, that's the one that I told you guys about. That's in the gym all the time. I'm laughing because, guys, I never heard anything like this. I gotta tell you a little funny story real quick. It has nothing to do with this, but it's so funny. Okay, and then in B2, stay tuned because I'm gonna give you the next trick too. Okay. So my son, remember I told you how his friendship ain't gonna last with his other friend, because his other friend and him was supposed to be going to the gym. I'm not gonna say no names, okay? I'm not gonna say no names. I ain't gonna put him out there like that. But he used to go to the gym like 7 in the morning or whatever. They only did it maybe one time, right? Now with me, my first 20 pounds, for those of you who know, I'll leave the video right up here. That was one of the first tricks. I had an accountability partner, and it was Devion, my son, right? Well, he is adamant about going to the gym, so he's real consistent. So if you want to be a part of him going to the gym, or if you want to go with him to the gym, you have to go every time. You can't stop, because if you stop, he's just going to say, well, you know what? I don't want to go to the gym with you anymore. You just don't go one time, even one time, guys. That's how he is. And so his friend knew that, right? So my son, he tells me, he says, I said, are you going to go 2 in the morning to the gym with your friend? I asked him, and he said, no, Mom. He said, Mom, read this. He handed me a picture, right? And I'm like, what? What is it? What am I looking at? What am I looking at? And I'm looking at it, and it was a doctor's note, y'all. I said, what's this doctor's note for? He said, my friend gave me a doctor's note because he wants to explain to me that he can't go to the gym because, and I'm not trying to put his business out there. Like I said, I'm not going to give him the friend's name or nothing like that. But y'all, I never laughed so hard in my life. Like, literally, I don't know how long I laughed. I think in the morning I woke up laughing so hard about that, because I have heard of doctor's excuse for when you're going to work, trying to call out of work or school or something like that, but never to save a friendship. I'm just saying, that is just, it just really goes to show you how consistent my son is. and how serious about the gym he is. He doesn't play about the gym, but he's not a trainer, you know, like maybe even giving it to your trainer. But my son is not a trainer, but I told him he should be a trainer because he's really good. Like, he's so consistent. Anyway, I thought it was so funny. Y'all have no idea how much I laughed. I laughed so hard, and my son was like, Mom, is that so funny? I was like, because I've never heard of anybody giving a doctor's note to a friend. Maybe a trainer, but not to a friend, of why they can't go to the gym. It was just so funny, guys. So my second trick, guys, you ready for this? Remember I told you about sugar-free. Sugar-free. Eat everything sugar-free. Don't eat, because the sugar does pile on the weight. You know, if you're like really skinny, got high metabolism, you probably can eat as much sugar and not gain 1 pound, okay? But this is for those people who love sugar, love sweets. I'm telling you, there are all types of syrups out there. This one tastes to me like the little Aunt Jemima one. I think it's Mrs. Butterworth. It tastes the same. I kid you not. This syrup is so freaking phenomenal and good. Once again, I am not sponsored by neither one of these. Neither one of these. But these two right here, guys, because you get your protein in, like literally it's 15 grams of protein, and that's just in a small pancake. But if you, like me, you make the big pancake. I like making the big round pancake, so I'm probably getting about 30 grams of protein just in one pancake, guys. So yeah, so anyway, this along with those other tricks and tips that I've been teaching as well have really, guys, it was instrumental in my first 20 pounds. So checking out your girl, be looking out and watching for how I lost the rest of my weight. But I will leave up in this video right here more tips and tricks on how I lost my very first 20 pounds. Stay shining. Much love to you. Bye.